Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year to all my planty friends. This will be one of my first videos for 2022 apart from the shorts that I made recently, and yeah, here is a short video tour of my mom's garden. And this time there are a lot of flowering plants, and these are chrysanthemums, and then we have few more chrysanthemums of different variety, and they look so beautiful. These are some, and yeah, you can see a lot of colors there. This one is pink, and then we have kalenkoi, then we have few other succulents, and they have that winter stress in them, so the color is really loud and out there, so it really makes the garden look beautiful. And we have some petunias and more succulents, and yeah, we have petunia here again. And this time even the bougainvilleas are doing really well. And this one I made recently, the arrangement, and I got the pot from Mumbai. And yeah, here you can see again some chrysanthemums, more succulents, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned to have a look at my mom's garden. So here you can see the bougainvilleas that I was talking about is really doing well, and the colors are so rich. You can also see some euphorbias and some poinsettias. And this bougainvillea I really love because the leaves are variegated and the color is so rich, the pink, and if you go a little ahead you'll see orange, and there's white, and you'll see all sorts of color, and I just love this burst of colors in this garden. So this is my mom's infamous or famous Coleus. It's doing really well. She has planted all of these cuttings in one planter, and it really outgrew the pot, but it looks really beautiful. It adds a lot of color to the garden. This one is also quite pretty because it's just covered with flowers, and here you can see a lot of poinsettias, and then the chrysanthemums are all here, so just love it. So these are some of the lilium collection that my mom has, and currently it's in bloom, and you can also see some seed pods being formed, and it's cute. And then there is this cute strawberry here. So this was my mom's garden. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing for more such planty contents. I'll see you on my next video. Take care.